now it looks good. Okay, now it's good. I don't know what was the issue, but somehow it got fixed. Hello Assis, how are you? Good morning, good evening. Hello. Hello. Thanks for joining. We'll wait for a couple of minutes, guys. Actually, my system was having some issue, so I am starting late. Okay. I think now it's good. Yeah. Just final confirmation, guys. Okay. Audio good, video good. Okay. All good. Okay. Shall we wait for a couple of minutes or we will start the session? Actually, what happened is link got changed. Okay. So might be few people are struggling because just a moment, guys. Let me share this one to the Telegram link. At least that was my faster communication. Okay. Let me share this on the Telegram link. Okay, guys. So I think we are good now. So today main agenda is, let me share the PPT first. So this is our main agenda today, that we are going to learn data types, operators and literals. Okay. So any idea about what is the data types? Any idea about what is the data types? Any idea what is the data type, guys? Please ping on the chat window. Any idea what is the data type? Please ping on the chat window. Any idea what is the data type? int, char, float, etc is the data type. Okay, that is correct. Very good. Okay, let me put this in another way. What I'm trying to say is that what is the use of data type? Anyway, let me put into the what is the use of data type? What is the use of data type? What is the use of data type? Please ping me on the chat window. What is the use of data type? I understand that int, float, whatever you are saying, everything is correct. But what I am trying to understand is that what is the data type? So I will tell you. No worry. Okay. So there is a person this one is good. So there is a person A. Okay. Person A. He is from USA. Okay. Now there is a person B. He is from UK. Okay. Another person C. He is from India. Okay. Now what is happening is the person A, okay, this is the person B and this is the person C. Person A came to India. Okay, person A came to India to buy a cloth. What to buy? Cloth. To buy a cloth. And India, he is saying that I need 5 liters cloth. Who is saying? Person A. Saying I need 5 liters cloth. Clear? Making sense? No. Interesting thing here is, just assume that the Mr. A, who is from the USA, Mr. A, who is from the USA, okay, Mr. A, who is from the USA, in USA, assume that the cloth is getting sold out with the liters. Okay, just assume that for a moment, getting sold out as a liters. Getting sold out as a liters. Okay, so person A is correct. Whatever person A is speaking, that is correct. There is nothing wrong. Problem in India that the shopkeeper is not able to understand what that person is saying. Okay, clear? Problem with India, not with the USA. Similar case, a person from the UK went to USA, okay, and asking for 5 centimeter water, okay. Now again, UK shopkeeper, the UK guy went to the US. Now USA guys got confused that there is nothing called water in centimeter. you need to take into the liter, okay, or milliliter, something else, at least not into the centimeter. Clear? So technically, if you see, the UK guy is also correct by saying 5 centimeter water. USA guy is also correct that saying that I need 5 liter of cloth. Both are correct on their country. Problem starts happening when they are moving to the different country. Their communication gap is they are getting the communication gap. Okay. So to avoid this communication gap, guys, tell me on the chat window, anyone know what is the SI unit? This is in PHYSICX, physics. This is in physics. Any idea what is the SI unit? System of International? Any idea, guys? Any idea? So you might be knowing that this is the so what happened to avoid this kinds of, to avoid this kinds of confusion or communication gap, the one unity got formed which is called SI unit. Okay, now the responsibility of SI unit is to differentiate each and every unit into the centralized way so that no one will get confused when they will move to the different countries. Okay, so that is the main motivation of SI unit in physics. So far, are you good or not good? So far, are you good or not good, guys? Yes, good. So now, in the similar way, every programming languages, they have their units, which is almost identical to other programming language also. I am saying almost, not exactly. Okay, almost. But fair enough to deal with. There is a very less chance to get different link this. Sorry guys, they were asking for where I am live, so earlier link was got duplicated, so I just telling that I am in live in different link. Sorry. Where I was, I got confused where I was. So different programming languages established in such a way that there is no confusion. Clear? So likewise, since we are learning Java, so we are going to learn the Java data type. But if you know other programming languages also, you should be able to relate, or you should be able to correlate that, okay, the same data type is in C, same data type in C++, almost same in Java. So these are all just to avoid the confusion. So again, question remains same. What is the data type, sir? Data type is the unit. Data type is the unit which is predefined unit with the predefined data. Okay. If I will tell you just in simple mathematics, okay, if I will tell you my height is 6 feet, okay, 6 feet, okay, same way I can say my height is some centimeter, or my height is 5.5 feet, right? So the height can be divided into the same part. So what I did is that the height is the one number which I am putting into the different data types. So data types is the centralized unit where we can use for the different kinds of data to store. Okay, enough theory. I don't want to speak theory anyway. Okay. So now coming to our main coding part, I already told you our agenda is to write the code, not to speak the theory. Okay. So if you are able to see my screen, if you are able to see my screen, this is the entire data type used in Python. Okay, this is the entire data type we have in Python. Clear, guys? We will understand. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Java. So these are all is the entire data type we have in Java. So these are all is the entire data type we have in Java. So all those value, all those real type data is getting settled within this data type only. How interesting it is. Don't take tension. Don't try to remember this diagram. It will get automatically remembered. Okay, don't take stress, don't take hesitation. Just please confirm on the chat window, so far are you good or not? Please ping on the chat window, so far are you good or not good? Only one response. Where is others? So far you are good. Very good. Thank you so much for your confirmation. Now we will understand each and every data types one by one. So if I will try to explain this, if I will try to explain this data type, please focus here. Okay. So just don't try to remember anything. Everything is hands-on. Just try to get yourself little bit. So this is the data type. I told data type divided into the two parts, primitive type and non-primitive type. What is the primitive? What is the non-primitive? Just ignore for that. Now primitive data type is divided into the three parts. Okay. One is that number, one is that character, and one is called Boolean. Just relate from your general life example. Number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 centimeter, something like that. This comes under the number. Character means your name, your address, anything which is related to the ABCD alphabet comes under the character. Boolean means yes or no, true or false. Just tell me, after this three data types, do you feel that, just tell me, anything got left out? Any number that you are not, any data that you know, so that is out of this three data type. Any data, number, character and Boolean. Out of these three data type, do you have any data which is out of these three categories? Say yes or no. If yes, tell me which one. Tell me, guys. If yes, which one? Or no? Yes, no, maybe. All got covered, right? Just relate from your, day-to-day life. All those data, what you are able to think is comes under these three data type only. Yes or no? Guys, please respond on the chat window. Please respond on the chat window. Okay. So you are good with that. Now, the number, character and Boolean, whatever you are seeing is the high level data type. Okay. Now what happened is that the number we have divided into the two parts. This is the number. Number got divided into the two parts. First one is the integer. Second one is the floating point data type. Floating point means all those data which has the decimal. All the numeric data which deal with the decimal will comes under the float. Okay. Clear, guys? Float is clear or not? A data which deals with the decimal is comes under the float. That's all. As simple as it is. Tell me clear or not clear? No response. Guys, please be response on the chat window. Please be responsive on the chat window. Yes, no, maybe. Now, confusion came with the integer. You said integer. Now, integer, if you see here, so many types. Byte, short, int, long. We will understand everything one by one. But high level, what we understand, either we say byte or we say short, we say int, we say long, all comes under the integer. Enough theory. Now we are going to write the code. Okay. So first data type that we are going to learn is called byte, Mr. Byte. Okay. This data type we are going to learn. Byte. Okay. Now, coming to the byte data type. Screen visible perfectly, guys. Please ping on the chat window if your screen is not visible. Visible, not visible? Now, what is the byte data type? So technically what will happen is, coming to the IntelliJ, okay? This is the ID. Here I am going to write the code. If you better, it's zoomed. Which one zoomed? Which one zoomed, guys? Which one zoomed? I mean PPT or oops. Now tell me clear or not clear? Slides is clear? Okay, huh? So now byte data type. So technically, I mean, we are learning the Java anyway. So in Java, we are going to declare some variable. Simple thing. Now, when we are declaring the variable, any variable ABCD, okay? Each variable type will occupy some memory into your CPU. Yes or no? Yes. I am live or not? So it will say some memory. So what I am trying to explain you here is, if I will declare a data type which is type of byte, a data type which is type of byte, then this byte will take these many memory or this many size into the memory. 8 bits or 1 byte. Either you say 8 bits or 1 byte, both are same only. Clear? This size parameter is clear or not? Please tell me this size parameter is clear or not? Please tell me this size parameter is clear or not? Only size. What I am trying to say is that if I will declare any data type with the type of byte, it will take either 1 byte into your memory or it will take 8 bits into the memory. This statement is making sense to you or not? Please ping on the chat window, clear, not clear? Please ping on the chat window, clear, not clear? Please, guys. No response. If you will not respond, I am feeling that my audio issue. So please respond on the chat window. At least one response is fine for me. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no. Okay, good. Thank you. So this is the first one is clear. Then now you must be having question that, sir, what is this two parameter, max value and minimum value? What is this two parameter is all about? If we declare the any data type as a byte, so byte has to hold some value. Okay, byte has to hold some value. So what is the maximum value it can hold? What is the maximum value it can hold? So the maximum value held by the byte data type is 127, whereas minimum value will hold as a minus 128. So if something maximum is 127, minimum is 128. So this is nothing but your range. So the range of byte data type is minus 128 to 127. That is the range of a byte data type. So far, are you good or not good? Guys, please ping on the chat window. We will write the code for that, but I just want to come out of the PPT. Clear? Okay. Good. Now, enough theory. Now you understood size. What is the meaning of size? Giving the quick recap. Size means it will occupy that much memory into your CPU. What is the max value? Max value means it will hold that many maximum value. Minimum value is that it will hold the minimum that much only. Since we know maximum, since we know minimum, so maximum and minimum is called as a range. As simple as it is. Now I am coming to the IDE, which is IntelliJ I am using. Okay, guys. I told you to install Eclipse. If you are, you can install IntelliJ also. Both are fine. Okay. So first, let me teach you how to create the project. Okay. So as soon as you will open IntelliJ, IntelliJ. Mine is paid version. You can install the community version also, which is open source. Okay. So this is how your UI interface will open for the IntelliJ. Okay. And here you can create the project. Okay. So I am creating new project. Clicking on this tab called new project, and it will ask me give me the project name. So I am giving data types, data types. Okay. I am creating in this folder. This is folder I have created just to arrange my code. YouTube 01. I want to create the Java. So Java is by default, selected. Build type is integer, IntelliJ, and I want to use the JDK 1.8. And yesterday I have told you how to install the 1.8. I have also given you the steps to install. And now you have to click on the create. Here it goes. So it is creating your project. Project name is data type. It will take few seconds to get configured. Now you see things will get configured. Okay. So whatever I am going to write the code, PPT, everything will be shared to you. So don't worry for anything. Okay, guys. Now this SRC stands for source. What it stands for? Source. SO. It stands for source. This SRC package stands for source. SOUR. Source. Okay. This stands for source. So whatever the code we are going to write, we will write into the SRC package only. Why SRC package, sir? because as soon as you will, the IntelliJ is configured in such a way that if you will write your Java code inside the SRC package, then only your JVM will able to read that code and able to compile it. Okay, that is the only one line answer. So just please ping me on the chat window. So far, are you good with the IntelliJ? Please ping on the chat window, IntelliJ making sense to you or not? Please ping on the chat window, IntelliJ making sense to you or not? Yes, no, maybe? So now I am going to create the Java project which I have already created called data types. Okay. Now here I am creating some package. I am going to create some package. Can we also use Vigo? You can use anything. Whatever the IDE you know for the Java, you can use anything. Okay. I am comfortable with IntelliJ, Eclipse, so I mostly use these two IDE. Okay. But you are free to use anything. Clear, guys? So now I am creating the package. How to create the package? You have to click on the SRC. You see, as soon as I have clicked on the SRC, the blue color highlight, are you able to see blue color highlight? Are you able to see the blue color? Yes. Now here you have to do the right click and click on package. I am writing here com.APIPOTHI .data data. No. Which data types we are learning? Data types project I have given, so I am writing byte, byte, bytes. Okay. Enter. Now you got a confusion, sir. What is the package? Why you have created the package? Valid question. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Why I have created the package? Package is the very different topic within this syllabus only. We know .java and .class, yeah, but we don't know the package. I am trying to explain the package, but we are little bit in early stage to understand more about the package. Okay, but what is the use of package, that I am trying to explain you. Please focus here. Okay, and please ask if you have any doubt. So now you are a, what is your name? I don't know you are C or E, but I am saying he. Com Senapati, he or C? He or C? So Mr. Com, he is in college. Thank you so much. Sorry if you feel bad, but I'm not good to identify. Now Mr. Com, he is in college. Okay. This Mr. Com in college. So he is studying what? BTech. He study BTech. So while study, currently he is studying in, assume that, third semester. 1, 2, 3 semester. Clear, guys? So Mr. Com is studying semester 3. Okay. Since he is in semester 3, so he must have completed the semester 1. Yes or no? Yes. Semester 1 he has completed. Semester 2 he has completed. Semester 3 he has completed or ongoing. Okay, in progress. I am saying in progress because he is in semester 3. Now he is very intelligent guy. Okay, he is very intelligent guy. He know how to organize his laptop. Okay, because he is so intelligent. So what he did in suppose that in D drive, okay, in D drive he created some folder called study study materials. He created one folder called study materials. Inside the study materials, he created again some folder called PDF, because study material generally will comes into the PDF, or documentation, which is very less, and video tutorial, video, video. Clear or not? So Mr. Com currently in 3rd semester, so he completed of course another 2 semester, which is semester 1 and semester 2. So he is very intelligent guy and he's organized guy. So he want his all those study material should be placed into the manner, so that he created the one folder, in D drive. In D drive he created one folder called study material. Okay, inside the study material he created few subfolder. One is called PDF, doc and videos. Okay, similar way now he got confusion, because when he was in semester 1 he created like that. Okay, now he went to the semester 2. Now he got confused what to do. Then what he realized, that let's do one thing, let's have study material folder created in D drive. Okay, but what we can do now here is we'll create one more folder called semester 1 and another folder called semester 2. Now what he did, in semester 1 he created 3 subfolders. What was that? PDF, doc and video. Similar way for semester 2 also, which is semester 2 here, he created the folder structure like that: PDF, doc and video. Okay, so far you are good or not good? Good. Now why he is doing this many folder arrangement? I told you, right, he is very intelligent. So whenever he want to come back, suppose that he is studying in semester 3, he want to refer some study material which is from semester 1 or semester 2. If his folder structure or study material will unorganized, okay, then it will take so much time for him then it is for so much time for him to find it. But since now he is organized, his all those study material depends on semester 1, semester 2, so he can easily navigate to the respective semester and respective folder in order to refer some study material. Good or not good, guys? Good or not good? Good or not good? Good. So this is just to make his life easy. Yes. So if I will ask you now, tell me what is the study material? What you will say? Folder. What you will say? Folder. If I will say what is the same one, you will say what? Folder. What is the PDF? This is again folder. Doc, PDF. or video. These are all the name of the folder, right? Similar way, when I am creating the packages, package is nothing but the folder I am creating. That's all for now. What I am creating? Folder. Why I am creating the folder? Just to organize my code. Now you see I have created the folder called com.apipothi.bytes. Please don't try to understand why I have written folder name as a com. Okay, not now, we'll understand in when we are going to learn packages. But for now, please try to understand that com is the folder, APIPOTHI is the again folder which is available inside the com, bytes is the another folder which is comes under the APIPOTHI. If you will not believe me, I will show you that. Okay. So are you able to see my folder? Now if you see here, what was our project name? Project name was data types. Are you able to see, guys, data types? If I am going inside the data types, do you see SRC got created? SRC was what? Source, where we are keeping the file. Inside the source, do you see one folder called com? Why this com got created? Because if you see here, our package's name was com. Do you see here com? Are you able to relate com? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Now inside the com, do you see another folder called APIPOTHI? Inside the APIPOTHI, are you able to see the bytes? So the com.apipothi.bytes. What these are all? These all is nothing but your folder. Okay. Why I have created the folder? Just to make my code in categorized way. That's all. Please try to understand for packages. We have so many things for package, but for now, this is the only thing you want to understand or I want to tell you. So far, are you good of folder or directory? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Guys, please respond me back on the chat window. This folder is packages is making sense to you or not? Please ping on the chat window. Guys, everyone respond me back on the chat window. Yes, no, maybe. Only one response, guys. 2, 3. NA. Ashish. Sir, where are you? You are not responding. NA. Please respond yes or no. Very good. So now we understand that two things. I have created the packages inside the SRC folder because the code whatever I am writing, it is visible to the JVM when I will write into the SRC. That's all. So I have created the packages. Packages nothing but the folder structure where I want to arrange my code. That's all. Now I am creating class to write the code. So in Java, whatever you are going to write, that you are going to write inside the class. So right click, new. Do you see class option here? Java class. Are you able to see Java class? First option, guys. Java class. So I have clicked on the Java class. Now it is asking me, give me the name of the class. So I am giving BYTE, byte EXAMPLE, or byte lab. I am giving lab 1, byte lab 1. Okay. Did you got the first option was the creating the Java class? Shall I create again, or you are good with that? The only top one, whichever the ID you will use, you will see the Java class only. Com Senapati, clear, not clear? Now I have created the Java classes. Oi, what happened? So do you see here some magic? That this, hold on guys. So this byte lab1 is the my class name, which is available inside this package. Which package? com.apipothi.byte. Now please tell me on the chat window, the text size is visible or not? Font size is clear or not? Class name is from the name. Class name is from the name. I did not get your question. Class name, whatever you can give, you can give it. Just ABCD test lab1, lab2. I have given byte lab1 just to make sense that this is the for byte related class. Text is visible, no? Okay, good. Now you will be having again one question. What is the main? For now, understand that the Java code will start running from the main method only. So this is the starting point of the Java code execution. Okay guys, for now please understand that much only. So this is the Java code. Now how to run this code? Right click. Okay, are you able to see run option here? Are you able to see run option here? Are you able to see run options? Yes, no, maybe. Are you able to see run options or not? So I clicked on the run. Then what will happen is the code is running, okay, but you are not getting any output. Have you seen any output here? This console is saying that the code whatever you have run is got completed. Okay, it got finished. Did you see any output? No output. Why you did not see any output? That is the left with the question. Why we did not see any output? We left. Okay. Now, yesterday I was trying to tell you few things. You remember .java .class. You remember .java .class. So when I have created my class, which is called byte lab1, I will show you here. Inside the data types, then src, then com, then APIPOTHI, then bytes. Are you able to see the extension called byte lab.java? Are you able to see .java? So that's what yesterday I have told you, that when we are going to create the Java class, the extension of the Java file is .java. And this code I have executed just now. Okay, this code I have run. Execution means run. I have executed this code. I did not see any output. Okay, but if I will come one step back and inside the out folder, do you see one folder called out, just parallel to src? Go inside the out folder, production, data types, com, and come on, APIPOTHI, byte. Do you see something here? Byte lab1 dot class. Do you see dot class? Are you able to see dot class or not? So just ping on the chat window. You write into the English word. Question is simple. Let me create one file here so that I will ask the question to you. The question number 1 is, when dot class file will get created? CREATED. Tell me the answers of this one on the chat window. When dot class file will get created? Please tell me the answer on the chat window. Please ping on the answer on the chat window. When the dot class file will get created? Yesterday I have explained you. Now it's time for you to give me the answer. Guys, please respond on the chat window. When your dot class file will get generated or will get created? No answer. No, 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 no. No, Com Senapati, the answer is partially correct, not 100% correct. When .java file will get successful compiled? Okay, you have to mention the successful word. I have explained you yesterday, so I have spent so much time on the successful and failure word. So you have to provide the answer in a such a way that from your answer the question should not come. That is the way to give the ideal answers. If you will give this answer into your interview, they will ask you again one question, again one follow-up question. So the ideal answer should be that you have to give the answer from where question should not come. Okay, so you have to mention the successful word. Now I have to prove that successful and failure. Yesterday I was only speaking about the theory, not on the practical side. Now what I am doing, I am removing this dot class file. What I am doing, I am removing this dot class file, or I am just keeping this dot class file here. Okay, intentionally I am doing some mistakes here. Okay, SYSTEM, I am just putting some mistakes. So do you see error? Do you see error? The red color, it is saying the error. The red color means it is saying the error. Okay, thanks for joining. So this is the error. Now I am running this code. Now I am running this code. Now what do you see here? It is giving you the error. It is saying that line number 8, column number 15, you are getting the error. Yes or no? Yes. Now tell me one thing. I got this error. What does it means? It means that my compilation failed. Since my compilation failed, does dot class file will be get created? Tell me, yes or no? Since my compilation got failed because of some reason, then will dot class file will be get generated or created? No, it will not get created. So now I am coming to the same folder, out folder, production, data type. Do you see anything here? Do you see anything here? No. That is the proof of the successful and failure. What I am trying to say is that the value of successful word, when your .java file will get successful compiled, then only the .class file will get created. If it get failed, .class file will not get created. Now I am saving this code. Do you see any error? No error. I am running this code. Tick, tick, to tick. You see code ran without error. Now I am coming to the same, folder. Com, APIPOTHI, bytes, you see .class file got created. Guys, are you able to see the magic? Yes, no, maybe. Please respond on the chat window. You must be understanding that now what is the use of .class file, what is the value of what successful. Guys, please ping on the chat window. Others also please ping on the chat window. Thank you. Yeah, please interactive. Then only I am getting motivated to teach you. If you are silent, then it's like, camera and me. Okay. So now we understood the .class, we understood the .java, we understood the compile, we understood the successful compile, we understood the failure compile. All together, whatever we learned yesterday, we got it. Now coming to the today agenda that we have trying to understand is called data type. So the first data type that we are trying to understand is called byte data type. So for byte data type, I have created the lab called byte lab 1. Okay. Now I am declaring the variable. So this is the syntax. This you have to remember. So byte, all in small, all in small. Variable name can be anything. I am writing my byte, my byte, byte equal to, I am writing 1, 2, 3 and semicolon. Clear, guys? Now I am running this code. Tick, 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 tick. Here it go. Do you see any output? No output. Do you see any error? No error. What does it means? It means that my code ran successfully, .class file got generated, and I am happy. But in other hand, I am sad also that I am not able to see the output. So to see the output on console, you have to take a help from the one of the code, which is called system 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 dot out dot print ln. Okay, this guy will give you the print statement. So I'm writing here start. I'm giving the lab 1 so that we will track it, which one the code is running, and I'm putting it here, and I'm putting it here, I'm putting it here. This is the end. So whatever the code I am going to write, I will write within these 2 logs here. That's all. Okay. Now I am running this code. Right click, run as Java application. Now you see here start byte lab 1 and byte lab 1. So this is the 2 log kinds of thing I have printed, which was printed successfully. Question remains same. Sir, I have declared my byte variable, which is the byte type, value is 1, 2, 3. But 1, 2, 3 did not get printed. Why? Why? Because I am not printing 1, 2, 3. So I have to print the byte value. I have to print the byte value, that's all. Now let me run this code. Now you see my byte equal to 1 to 3. Happy or not happy, guys? So now my byte got printed successfully. So far so good or not good? Please ping on the chat window. So far you are good or not good? Guys, please ping yes, no, maybe. Good. Very good. So this lab is done. Now I am creating the lab 2. Simply copy paste on the package. So I am able to create the lab 2. Okay. Now coming to the PPT again. So we were talking about the max value and minimum value. Now I have given value as a 1 to 3, which is the within a range of minus 128 to plus 127. Now I am giving the value as a 127. Okay. What will happen? 127 will get printed. Yes or no? Yes. Now I am creating the lab 3. Here I am giving the minus 128. Minus 128. If I run this code, I will get minus 128 printed here. Do you see? Minus 128. So far so good. Now here is the confusion. Lab number 4. Confusion here is, now what is the minimum range? 127. I am giving 128. I am providing byte, my byte equal to 128. Do you see the error here? Do you see the red color line? The red color line is nothing but the error. Yes or no? Now if I will run this code, you will get some error. Okay? You will get some error. Do you see? It is saying some incompatible type, something. Just not try to understand this area. This is the different thing which we will understand. But please focus here that we got the error. Reason to get this error is very simple. The reason is to get this error is that we are somehow violating the rule. We are somehow violating the rule of 127 to minus 128. Okay, Mr. 128 is not coming within this range. That is the reason I am getting the error. So now you should be able to understand that what is the exact meaning of range. Guys, range word is clear or not now? So I am doing the comment here. Range word is clear or not? This emoji and all those I did not understand, please write into the English, guys. I am very bad to understand the emoji. Please write clear, not clear. Clear, not clear, guys. You got the meaning of range. Now I am writing one more lab called lab 5. In lab 5, I am just trying to violate the rule of negative. What is the maximum range of negative? Minus 128. So I am giving minus 129. I can give, right? We are getting the error. Region is same because minus 129 is not coming within a range. Hence I am getting the error. As simple as it is. Getting it or not, guys? Yes, no, maybe. Now byte is clear, range is clear. Why you are getting the error, that also should be cleared now. Happy or not happy? Guys, please ping on the chat window, happy or not happy. Then we'll go for others. Happy, not happy. Happy, not happy, guys. Please ping on the chat window. Cleared and happy. Very good. Others, please respond on the chat window. Happy, not happy. I told you right now. I'm very calm to finish the syllabus. I'm no hurry to finish. I will go very slowly. Two people are happy. Sir, where is others? Only two people are happy. This is not good. Guys, be happy. I told you, right? Programming is the song. You need to feel it. Don't take tension while learning. Otherwise, it will make you cry. Okay? Now we got the byte. Coming to the another data type called sort. S-H-O-R-T. Now I am creating again another package. Why I am creating the package? Just to arrange my code. com.APIPOTHI.short. Sort. This will give you the error, so I am putting sorts because sort is the keyword. Okay. Now I am creating here new Java class. Class name I am giving as a SHORT sort lab1 lab1. Okay, class. That's all. Done. Copy this code here, or I will not copy otherwise. Okay, so I have to write the main method. Why I have to write the main method? Because we know that Java class execution starts from the main method only. Okay. Now I am writing print statement. Why I am writing SYSTEM? I am not using the shortcut. Okay, SYSTEM system dot out dot. If I will use the shortcut, you will get confused. So I am printing manually system dot out dot println. So I am writing here some log start start what sort lab1. Then this is the end. All good. Now this is meant for the sort data type. Now please focus here. You really don't have to remember the range of any of the data types. Now you must be thinking, sir, how to remember the range? You really no need to remember. It will automatically come as much as you will code, the concept will automatically come. So you really don't have to remember the range. Okay. So I'm just going to declare one data type called sort. What data type? Sort. Sort my sort equal to 1 2 3. Okay. Now I am printing here this one. Okay. If I will run this code, what output you will get? Please ping on the chat window. If I will run this code, what is the output? You will get it. If I will run this code, what is the output? You will get it. Guys, please ping on the chat window. I sought 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we are getting the output as a my sort 1, 2, 3. Okay. All good? No problem. Now going to the lab 2. In lab 2, I am putting the max RAM range is 32767. 32767. Okay. If I will run this code, what is the output I will get? Same 32767. Nothing new. Now coming to the lab 3. I am putting here 68 minus. Now I am running this code. What output we will get? Minus 32768. All good, no issue. Now we'll move to the negative scenario, going to the lab 4. Inside the lab 4, I am removing the minus and I am having 32768. Do you see? 32768. Are you able to see the error? Reason for error is same. That I am out of your budget. Means I am out of the range. Okay, I am out of the range. That's the reason I am throwing the error. Why I am out of the range? Because the sort defined range is what? Minus 32682 to 3267 minus plus. Now I am writing here lab 5. I want to violate the rule of negative as well. What I want to do? I want to violate the rule of negative. So I am putting here 9. This guy is also good only. It is violating the rule of negative. Take. Okay. So I am getting the error here. No problem, all good. Okay. No 2 byte. Mr. Com Senapati, it is not about the byte to byte. Just please focus what I am trying to say. It is not able to, the number whatever I am providing, not within a range of what? Sort. That is the reason I am getting the error. As simple as it is. Clear or not clear? No 2 byte. Till now you are clear or not? Take. Okay. Now I am going to ask you one question. Do you see here? Sort, my sort equal to 1 to 3, where here my byte equal to 1 to 3. Okay. Are you able to see both the screen? Here is the my byte, here is the sort. Are you able to see both the things? Here is the Mr. Byte and here is the sort. Are you able to see? Now my question is that this is the byte, which is the first data type we have learned, and this is the sort, which is the second data type we have learned so far, and both looks fine, both are correct. I am not getting any error. Code got compiled successful. I am able to see the output also. All good. Now you have to tell me that what is the wrong here. What is the wrong here? What is the wrong here? Now you have to tell me on the chat window what is the wrong here. Guys, please ping on the chat window what is the wrong here. Please ping on the chat window what is the wrong here. Please ping on the chat window what is the wrong here, guys. I'm just checking into the Telegram if anyone is responding there. Okay. Looks right for me. Okay. Guys, others also please respond. Not only one, guys. Others also please respond. Not looks right to you. It is something wrong. Guys, please respond on the chat window. Okay. If you are no problem, let me do something. Okay. Both seems correct. But if my sort value is 1 to 3, which is the range of byte, it must be placed inside the byte. Okay. Very good, Premnath, but I'm trying to explain a little bit more here. So this is the byte. This is the sort. If I will ask you, the memory consumption of byte is how much? Byte is 1 byte. Do you see here 1 byte? So I am writing here 1 byte. What I am writing here? The memory consumption is 1 byte. If I will ask you what is the memory consumption of sort? Sort is the 2 byte. What is that? 2 byte. So I am writing here 2 byte. Okay, 1 byte, 2 byte. Now what I am doing here? So 1 byte or 2 byte means, so this much memory it is occupying inside the your CPU or memory. That is only 1 byte, 2 byte memory occupation. Okay. So now what I did, I have created my byte equal to 1 to 3. What I have created? I have created my byte equal to 1 to 3. I have created here my byte equal to 1 to 3. Okay. As well as I have created here also my byte equal to 1 to 3. Okay. I have created my byte equal to 1 to 3. Now there is a difference between both. Looks same, but there is a differences. What is the difference? What is the maximum size of my byte? Tell me, what is the maximum size of my byte? 127. So technically what will happen when I have created this one? So for this guy, 127 maximum range will get assigned. Okay. Whereas for this one, 32767. For this guy, 32767. For positive I am taking for now. Okay, got assigned. So out of 127 is the maximum, I am using 123. So how much value I am occupying? How much value? How much memory? I am almost occupying till here. This yellow color shaded is the occupy memory. Okay guys. And what is your red color? Sorry, green color. This is the free memory. What is this? This is the free memory. Clear? Now I'm doing the same thing here. Here I have assigned 123. The size is 3276. Looks very big, right? So I'm just assuming that I am occupying this much memory. I am occupying this much memory. What I'm doing? I am occupying this much memory. Whereas this green color is, whatever you are seeing, is the free area. So I have defined, this is which type? Sorry. This is actually which type? If I will ask you, this is which type? Sort type. If I'll ask you, this is which type? Sort type. And this is which type? Byte type. Okay, sort type and byte type. Now tell me, do you see any problem? The problem here is when I am keeping 1 to 3, when I am putting 1 to 3, when I am putting 1 to 3, byte 1 to 3, I am able to utilize more memory. So this is wastage, which is very less. This wastage is very less. Less wastage. Here memory wastage is more. So which one is valid? This one is more appropriate. Why? Because I am utilize maximum memory. Where this one is making less sense because I am not utilizing more memory. So got it now? So this is the actually differences. Sort is appropriate? No. But why? The question is why. Question is why. You got the reason why? Guys, I am confused now. Please ping on the chat window. Clear or not clear? Simple thing. Byte is appropriate. Yes, I told byte is appropriate. Did I tell reverse? If I say reverse, sorry for that. But here byte is appropriate because it is utilizing more memory. Whereas if I am putting 1 to 3 of the sort type, what is happening? It is utilizing very less memory. So this is so if I want to declare 1 to 3, I should have used byte instead of sort. That's the all agenda what I am trying to say. Clear or not clear, Mr. Premnath? Clear or not clear? Premnath, clear or not clear? Okay, good. So now we got to know these things. Similar way, now you understood, right, the what is the actual meaning of size. Okay, this is the actual meaning of size. Means how much you are occupying the memory. That's all. Now coming to the int data type. Okay, just now in real scenario, please ping on the chat window. In real scenario, which types of data you will store as a byte type? Tell me. Which types of data you will store as a byte type? You are in college. In college, you are in one section, we say, right? A, B, C, D. Maximum student will be 120 or 60. If you want to have, if you are creating the college management system or school management system where you want to keep what where you want to store the total number of students available inside the one class or one section, not more than 120, then you should go for byte. Where probably if you want to store the student data for all the BTech CS or for all the BTech, not more than 3000, right? 32,000, sorry, not more than 32,000. So probably at that time you will use the sort data type to store all the student details from the BTech CS, BTech IT, BTech this, BTech that. Okay. So this is, now we understood the sort. We got it. Now coming to the int data type. So I'm going to write same, right click, new, package, com.apipothi, APIPOTHI dot what? com.apipothi.int. It will give you the error, so I'm putting ints, ints, okay? Enter. So this is the integer data type. So I'm creating the Java class, right click, new Java class, int lab1, int lab1. Why? Int lab1. Okay. Now I am creating here main method, and then I am printing, sorry, I'm typing system dot out dot print. Tick. Start. And okay. Now, so far you are good, guys. Please confirm on the chat window. Are you good or not good? So far you are so good or not? Please ping on the chat window. Thank you. Only one response I got. How many response I got? I don't know. Guys, others also please respond. Now, I am declaring the variable called int. My int equal to 1 2 3. Okay, and now I am printing this one. Now I am running this code. What is the output I will get? Tell me, what is the output I will get? Output is, tell me guys, 1 2 3. Take. Something wrong. Something wrong. Oh, I have used print. I supposed to print into the new line. Okay. Now let me run this code. Output is same 1 2 3 only. We have given correct answer. You see, output is 1 2 3. No dinner. Just wait for another 15 minutes. No dinner. Hold on. Hold your dinner now. I am also here. I also want to have a dinner. Okay. So I have printed this int. Okay. Let me finish the int. Then I will wind up the classes. So we are good now. Now I am creating the lab 2. Okay. Lab 2 max value is very big, I guess. Do you see? Very big value. I am just doing the copy paste here. That's all. And I am removing the comma. Okay. Now I am printing this one. So what will happen? No rocket science. This value will get printed. All good. Now I am putting lab 3. Now I will put here 8 and I will put here minus. So this is the lower limit. Now I am running this code. What will happen? I will get this output. Good. So far so good. Okay. Now we'll go for the negative. Lab 4. I will remove the negative sign. So this is out of budget. Do you see, out of budget? So this is not coming under the range. This is not actually coming within the range. That is the reason you are getting the error. So now you are getting the error. It is saying number is too large. I will not able to handle it. I know. So I am doing the comment here. Similar way, I am creating the lab 5. And then I am putting here minus, I am changing from 8 to 9. This is again violating the rule of minimum. So I will get the error for sure. That is the same story I am telling to you. Now again question is same. Question, so far you are good, no? So far so good. So far you are good or not with the integer? Before I am going to ask you the question. So far you are good or not? Okay. Now here I am creating one more box and I am putting 1 to 3. Okay. So now tell me which one is appropriate. So if I will draw the random diagram, so I can say that the memory utilization of 1 to 3 within a integer range is probably here only, till this much only. Okay. Yes or no? Whereas the memory wastage is very high. You see how much memory waste I am doing. I am storing such a small number into the very wide range of memory. So this is the memory wastage. Memory wastage is, which one is high? Byte, short or int? Which one is high? Which one have the high memory loss or high memory wastage? Integer only, right? Because I am storing 1, 2, 3, which is such a small number, it can be handled itself by byte only, but I am trying to store into the integer. No error, all good, I am getting the output, but behind the scene, what is happening? We are wasting more memory. So far, you are so good or not? Good or not good, guys? Good or not good? Please respond me back on chat window. Good. Okay, guys, very good. Guys, just one quick confirmation on the chat window. Are you fresher or experienced? If you are fresher, from which college are you? Are you fresher or experienced? If you are a fresher, then from which college? Yes, Nana. Question is that if you are a fresher or are you experienced? If you are a fresher, then you are from which college? That's all. Meanwhile, you ping on the chat window, I am moving the code into the Git repository. Tick. We learn byte, short, comma, int. So I am moving this freshers, college. Okay, CP, oh no, which college? So I am moving this code into the Git repository. I am going to move this code and let me know on the chat window if you are able to see this code or not. Please move to the Telegram. Okay, I am moving the code link there. Okay, just I want to have the confirmation from your side that are you able to see the or are you able to access the code or not. Please go to the Telegram link. I am going to paste this Git link just to make sure that the link is visible to you. Guys, please go on the chat window. Here it is. Copy. I am going to put into the Telegram link today code. I have pinged on the chat window, sorry, on Telegram link. Can you please confirm on the chat window, are you able to access or not? That's all. Please ping me on the chat window and confirm that are you able to access or not. You should be able to access. Let me go to the about section and here is the link, Git link. Go to the repository. YTBC01 is this bootcamp I have created. All the links are, codes are here only. You see, go to the data type. What is this? Okay, this is the demo data type, src com.APIPOTHI. This is the byte code, ints code, sorts code. Okay, all the codes are here. Get it from here. Just go to the git link. Okay, and do you see the code here? Do you see the code green button? And click on the download zip. As soon as you click on the download zip, the entire code will get downloaded into your system. As simple as it is. Clear, guys? Clear, Nana? You got the link or not on the Telegram group? Okay. That's all for today, guys. We will meet on next Saturday. Okay, and we'll continue from here only where we left. Okay, thank you so much for attending this session. Okay, we will meet next Saturday likewise only. Thank you, guys. Bye. Take care.